Good day, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually make the most amount of money in forex trading. Okay, and it's very simple. All right, so the major reason why you're not making much money from the forex market is because you're taking trades that are like B setup. Okay, they are B setups. Okay, if you want to make the most amount of money in forex trading, the truth alone is what I'm going to tell you. You need to always wait for your A plus setup. Okay, so what do I mean by A plus setup? All right, every trader has a strategy they believe in the most. Okay, so that strategy has rules and regulations. There are a couple of things you need to see on your checklist before you enter a trade. Now, the problem is sometimes just a few of these things on the checklist are going to be met, not all of them, and yet a trader will take the setup. That's like an A setup or a B setup. An A plus setup is a setup that includes all the things you need to see in order to take the trade. So if you know you actually want to make a lot of money from the forex market, you need to avoid those setups that do not fulfill all that you have in your checklist. That's the very first thing you need to do. Okay, so I don't know what strategy you're using, I don't know what system you're using to trade, but I can speak for myself and I can tell you that when I'm using a 1 hour time frame to trade, my A plus setup only plays out about 2 times a week. Okay, it only plays it only comes to the charts about 2 times in a week. Okay, 2 times per week. In some weeks I can have that A plus setup 3 times. Okay, in that particular week. All right, so the question now, the elephant in the room that we need to address now is, will you be patient enough to wait for that A plus setup? Because this now has to do with your psychological development. Can you be patient to wait for your A plus setup where everything in the checklist will be fulfilled? Sometimes if I trade up to like 5 times in a week, or let's say 5 times a week, that's throughout the week, Monday to Friday, it implies I've taken probably 2 trades that are not A plus. Okay, and most times those are the ones that will end up maybe in break even or in a loss. All right, so in order to make the most money, you need to cut down on trades that are poor quality and focus on the high quality trades. Okay, what we call the high probability trades. Okay, and you also need to work on being patient for that to come up. And something else I notice is sometimes maybe on Monday you check the charts, the A plus setup does not form. On Tuesday you check the charts, A plus setup does not form. You start feeling that fear of missing out. Like, are you sure you will not just wait throughout the week and nothing is going to come up? Then you take some poor quality trades on Wednesday, lose some money only to find out that your A plus setup played out on Thursday. So you have to be very patient, and that's why you need to, sleep on the charts a little bit. All right, through backtesting. So you backtest to see how many times your A plus setup comes up in a week. So that will give you an idea. If it's once a week it comes up, or twice a week, that's going to help you with an idea of how many times you're expecting it in a week. Then you calmly wait for it to come up and also have an idea of when it has the highest probability of showing up, so you don't spend morning to night looking at the chart. All right, so that's just what I have for you in this particular video. If you got any value, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.